Kenya, we have the bottom up, which we have said that particular agenda we have as a country cannot be achieved through TVET institutions. Our young who have been given the opportunity to join our TVET institutions where we're offering all kinds of technical courses, we have said that is the way to go. That is the direction that we are taking as a country, and His Excellency the President and the government of this country is investing a lot in that. I've been here 2 times, during which time I was here, and we have had an opportunity of taking you through what is expected of you, the young people. One of the challenges that we have as a country today is unemployment. And we have said we have to decisively, very deliberate and intentional way, deal with that particular problem of giving computers the H.E program in each and every TVET institution. As we talk today, we have issued computers, was actually the second after Kapete. No another apart from the president of this country. We have said H.E because it depends on your own personal success. Because as you are going on with your running process and activities in Asia, Japan, and all these other countries, so kindly for the benefit of our young people. I know the National Polytechnic, you have also taken advantage of the same. And kindly, if you have not joined, ensure that you join that particular program. What we also did with my friend, which my peers here, we have taken a step of making sure that we improve the TVET sector. We promoted all of them, the principals who were in Choburbu P. We had promoted him to Choburbu S.